Are you ready to make your own Telegram channel and start sharing content with an audience? In this video, I'll walk you through every step of creating a Telegram channel right from your Android device, and I'll make sure you understand not just how, but why each step matters. By the end, you'll feel confident about using Telegram, whether you're brand new or just haven't made a channel before. Let's jump right in. First things first, open the Telegram app on your Android phone. If you haven't already installed Telegram, just hop over to the Google Play Store and search for Telegram. It's that blue paper airplane icon. Download it and follow the on-screen instructions to sign up using your phone number. Telegram is pretty straightforward here. It's all about verifying your use, so you'll get a code by SMS to complete registration. Once you're inside Telegram, you'll land on the main chat screen where all your conversations live. To start using Telegram's features, look for the pencil icon, usually sitting in the bottom right corner of your screen. Think of this pencil as the command center for starting anything new, whether that's messaging a friend, creating a group, or of course making your new channel. Go ahead and tap it. A menu will pop up with three main choices: new chat, new group, and new channel. For our video today, we want new channel. Tap that option. Now you're ready to set up your channel, which is like creating a personalized broadcast platform. Telegram channels are perfect for sharing news, tips, videos, really anything, with as many subscribers as you want. They work a bit like a public notice board, but you're in charge. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter a name and an optional description for your channel. Take a moment here. Your channel name is what people will see first, so make it clear and memorable. If you want, add a short description to tell people what your channel is about. This helps folks decide whether to join, so be descriptive, honest, and inviting. Maybe you're starting a travel tips channel. A name like WanderSmart with a tagline like Daily Travel Hacks for Smart Explorers instantly tells people what to expect. Once you've typed out your name and description, tap the checkmark in the top right to continue. You'll then choose whether your channel is public or private. This choice is important. Public channels are searchable inside Telegram, and you get a custom link to share anywhere, perfect if you want to grow a bigger audience. Private channels are invite-only, so you control exactly who sees your content. Ask yourself, do you want a big public following or a close-knit group? You can always change this setting later if your needs change, so don't stress if you're unsure. After picking public or private, tap the checkmark again. Telegram will offer to let you add contacts immediately as subscribers. You can skip this for now, or take a few minutes to invite friends who'd love to be among your channel's first members. It's totally up to you. Even if you add none, your channel is good to go and you can invite more people anytime. And that's it, your Telegram channel is officially live. You can now broadcast messages, share files, photos, videos, polls, really anything you want your subscribers to get. Every message you send goes out instantly to everyone who's joined your channel, making this a super powerful tool for sharing information or building a community. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit like, and don't hesitate to drop me a comment if you have any questions or there's a Telegram feature you want to learn more about. And be sure to subscribe so you get more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.